Anurag. I'm associate editor with OEM Update, and today we are at ENGIMACH in Gandhinagar at Gujarat. And we thank you, Mr. Nitin, to join us at the interview.
Yeah, thank you very much, Anurag.
Sir, where does India stands for machine tools?
See, well, India is a big growing market and a developing country in the machine tool segment. And India is growing at a very fast pace. And we will be beating many global players in the machine tool industry very soon.
And what makes India different to compare to developed countries with respect to machine tools?
See, developed countries are already developed. They are not going further. The market is saturated already.
Okay.
So they have to destruct to construct again. Whereas India is a growing economy. And with the Aatmanirbhar Bharat and Make in India concept what the Indian government is pushing, so in that way the India is growing very fast.
And sir, what are the trends and innovations you are witnessing in this?
Well, precision engineering technologies is moving forward in the new trends and innovations in it. So last month about we launched a new hybrid technology machine in which you have 3D printing as well as the machining together on the same machine. So you can print the material as well as machine the material with the same setup. So that's a new technology we just launched last month during our open house Arhoan in Pune.
Okay.
And in the show we are displaying now 5-axis machines, we are displaying 4-axis machines, turn mill centers with sub-spindle and Y-axis technologies, vertical turning machines, 3D printing machines. So I would request people who can come and please join us, see the latest technologies, what we are displaying in ENGIMACH show.
And sir, what makes you different from other players?
See, we are different from other players because we are not only selling a machine, we are giving a complete solution and the whole ecosystem to the customers. Like if somebody wants to enter into defense industry and wants to set up a shell manufacturing plant, so we can give a complete end-to-end solution for the shell plants. Similarly for drone manufacturing, for ammunition manufacturing, tank manufacturing, even for aerospace component manufacturing. So we have all the top global technologies available with us. And the principals who are based in Europe, US, Korea and other countries with whom we are working with, they are willing to join us together in order to provide a complete solution to the customer to make a component.
And sir, lastly, what is your market share and at what rate is your company growing?
Sir, our market share right now in precision engineering technologies is about 20% and we are expanding very fast. Not only in India, we are also expanding in global operations. We have already started our operations in the Middle East countries. We are already working in Malaysia market, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh. And we have also set up a manufacturing plant in Pune in 200,000 square feet area. So we will be now building all these technologies and machines in India to support the customers.
Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
हमारे साथ फिलिप्स टूल्स के हैं मिस्टर गौतम सर, धन्यवाद हमसे बात करने के लिए।
थैंक यू।
तो सर हमारा पहला सवाल है, क्या आप अपने फिलिप्स मशीन के टूल्स के बारे में बता सकते हैं, क्या क्या प्रोडक्ट्स हैं आपके?
Philips is actually American company and we're dealing many brands from many different countries. Our main machine is a Haas, is our main product. With Haas we selling many other brands like we show in our next booth of Philips, like own brand PVM machines, Hyundai machines, Nakamura Tobe machines, lasers machines, wire cut EDM and many more machines we have to serve.
And how many facilities do you have in India?
We have total 7+ offices in India and 600+ people working with Philips. Gujarat we have 50+ person working with us and a total 6 salesperson and 40+ service person. We only have a company who have as a dealer so many service team member in Gujarat.
And so what makes you different from other companies?
Philips known as a service company. If you ask any our existing customer, they always say they want to work with the Philips only because our service and support is beyond the boundary. So always all customers for us is very happy from us.
And sir, how this ENGIMACH event is helping you?
ENGIMACH is a very good platform to show new technology machine like we see our Haas universal machine or 5-axis machines and turn mill machine or new 3D printer machines. So many customer, various product from Gujarat, this customer will be came and see the latest technology of it.
So will you be also participating in the next year?
Definitely, 100%.
Thank you so much for your time, sir.
Thank you.